Welcome to Academic Prep Open House. Please take some time to meet our teachers and learn about the class.
Hi, I'm Mr. Keekbush.
Hi, I'm Mr. Anderson.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Moline.
Hi, I'm Ms. Ryan.
Hi, I'm Miss Anderson.
Hey, I'm Ms. Fisher.
Hi, I'm Mr. Griffin.
Hi, I'm Mr. Gravatt.
Hi, I'm Mr. Clemens.
Hi, Mr. Propotes.
Welcome to Academic Prep. Those are the 10 academic prep teachers that your child may encounter throughout the year. You also might see those teachers in some of your co-taught classes or in some of your academic classes as well. We just wanted to give you kind of a brief overview of what academic prep is, the purpose of it, and maybe some explanations as to why your student is in the class. So first of all, academic prep is a class that we focus on the 3 different areas of transition for your student's IEP, being employment, post-secondary, and independent living. We work on these skills in a variety of different ways to help incorporate some growth areas for your students to be successful when they leave here after they graduate. During class, students are expected to work on their assignments from their core classes that they get. While they're working on those assignments, we work on different skills. Some of those skills are executive functioning, that's being on task, organizing, planning, academic skills in reading and writing, some math, social skills, being able to communicate and work with others, emotional skills, paying attention to our mental health and well-being, advocacy skills, learning how to ask for help and support, and language skills, going along with that communication piece. Our schedule, if we were back in normal school time, would look like this, where daily students would come into the room. We would do a 10-minute mini lesson or focus on 10 minutes of study time. And then the rest of the class period, they would work on homework, maybe checking in with the teacher, doing some peer tutoring, and getting help that way. And then over on the right, we just kind of have an example of what it could look like on a daily basis, doing some group work, doing some independent work, grade checks, and all of that. In our hybrid model, when students are in school, we have this split up into a couple of different things. On days that they are in class with us, we would start with a mini lesson that works on those transition skills that we talked about. And then we would work on the work time. So working on homework, working with their case manager one-on-one to check in, to kind of go over IEP goals and also go over grades and progress for the term. They could do some peer tutoring or other student supports. On days that they are home, they will be asked to review their calendar on Schoology to work on their homework assignments. They may have a mini assignment that they need to do for our class specifically and do grade checks. They also could be accessing the virtual resource room or tools, and we'll talk with students about how to do that on days that they're home. And then finally, if we move to distance learning, it will look like on daily, students will be asked in the academic prep class to work on their Schoology calendar, looking at their assignments, and then making sure that they're meeting with their case managers at least once a week on a Zoom call. And then real quickly is just an overview of the different teachers and hours that we have academic preps. So thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to starting a great year with your students.
We are all very excited to work with your student this year. If you have any questions, please reach out to your student's case manager. Lastly, we are Eastview Together. Together we stand with all of our students and staff. We are committed to educational equity and ensuring that all of our students and staff feel safe and supported. We promote inclusivity, celebrate diversity, and practice empathy. We are Eastview.